Hey guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. It's another beautiful day. It's evening right here in the US. Yes, Saturday actually evening. So as you can notice guys, you can hear like my throat is kind of hoarse. I had no idea what's going on, okay, what's happening, but I decided to make porridge. I love, sometimes when I don't feel good or I feel like my throat is on fire or something is going on, I do like to make porridge, especially finger millet porridge, and I mix with lemon and then sometimes honey. If I don't have honey, I put a little bit of sugar, so that kind of make it sweet. So today I have decided to make porridge, which I am going to show you in a little bit. But they say that you know, there's a finger millet has lots of benefits. You can Google it or you can just look at it, but one of the benefits that they say that finger millet has is the skin. If you are, let's say, if you're turning 30 and you want your face or you want to look younger, actually finger millet is going to help you with your skin to look beautiful, to look younger. So check it out guys, check it out. If you have finger millets, go ahead and make your porridge and you'll be looking young and beautiful. But today I'm not making for that reason. The reason that I'm making it is because I feel like my throat is hoarse and I feel like I'm sneezing a little bit. So I want to make the porridge so that I can drink it, so that my throat can feel okay. Hey, it also helps to lose weight. Yes, that's what I want. So guys, without wasting your time, today I'm making porridge outside. I didn't want to make it inside with the stove and everything. I just wanted to be a village girl. You know, you're a girl, love to be a village girl. I wanted to make a content for you. I'm like, hey, wait a minute, we have an outdoor stove that I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So I'm gonna make that porridge actually outside. Let me go so I can show you this stuff. I already put water here. Guys, let me show you. Let me turn my camera so y'all can see it. Look at that. That's fire right here. Yes, fire is good. Let me put this. Actually guys, this is what I used to do back home in the village. We used to cook outside, or we can cook inside with a small hat house, you know, the muddy house. That's where we used to cook. But here in the US, I kind of improvised something like this so that I can cook outside, because I wanted to enjoy. I don't want to forget my village life. I don't cook this because I just want to cook this because I just want to remind myself that I am a village girl and I can still cook outside. Yes, we do have stoves and everything here fancy in America, but at the same time, I just wanted to be me, a village girl. So I wanted to remind myself, this is your signature girl. This is where you came from. This is not even fancy. I used to have 3 stones, but we kind of improvised a little bit just to make it, you know, more reasonable. But as you can tell, this is my traditional pot right here. In here we have boiling water. Look, that's water. Yes. And over here, I'm almost out guys. This is wimbi flour. So wimbi is a Swahili name that means finger millet flour. Yes, this is what I am going to use to make my finger millet porridge. Yes, over here I have a pot right here, and I have the cooking stick right here. This is gonna help me to stir the porridge like this. So let me show you how I'm gonna make the flour. So we're gonna get this flour. I'm almost out guys. I am almost out, but don't worry, if I run out I'm gonna get another one. So we're gonna get this porridge flour, and we're going to pour the flour in this container. You can get any container you want. Oh, look at that guys. Yes, I think this is enough. Is it enough or too much? No, this will be enough. And you're gonna get water. You can get water from so you're gonna get water. You can get water from the sink, or you can use the bottled water. And we're going to pour water in here. Make sure you don't have to put too much. Our aim here is to make it a little bit like a paste. Look at that. That's how you make finger millet porridge. I'm gonna keep adding water until it's a little bit soft, watery, but not too much watery. So I'm gonna add more water, girl, and keep stirring. It's because I'm holding the camera. It's gonna be so hard for me to, but I'm gonna take it easy so you guys can see. I still need to add more water. Let's make it like a paste. Guys, this is how you make finger millet. Yes, and I remember my grandma showed me how to make the best finger millet, and my mom, oh my goodness, they showed me how to make the finger millet without making something balls like this one's here. So you have to stir until it's mushy. It's mushy like a glue. Like that. You don't want to see any balls. You just want to mash it as I'm doing it. I still have to add a little bit of water because I feel it's heavy. So girl, this is what we're gonna do. Let's keep doing it. Alright guys, our water is ready. As you can tell, the water is boiling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pour this mixture of finger millet into the water, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the stick in here and pour this in here and start stirring here very quickly so that we can make a paste. So make sure you have water to keep adding because you don't want it to be so heavy. Like now I need to add water and keep stirring like that. Look at this, guys. This is how we make finger millet porridge, and I'm using my traditional pot. Yes, and I'm cooking outside. Typical African village girl making porridge in America. Who knew? Yes, guys, you know, life is what you make. Life is how you want to live it. If you just want to live a Western life, you can do that. You want to live a European life, you can do that. You want to live a village life, you can do that. You can, if you want to mix both here and here, you can do that. So guys, this is how you make finger millet. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to keep stirring and at the same time keep adding water, so to make sure I don't make bubbles. So I want my porridge to be as smooth as it can. Of course, it's kind of a little bit harder because I'm holding a camera, and at the same time I'm making a video for you because I want my people to see how Umoto lifestyle make cooking. You know, cooking, not making, cooking how porridge, finger millet. Add lemon. This is the lemon I'm using right here. Lemon. You can use fresh lemon, but I don't have fresh lemon. I'm out. So as well, I can go ahead and use this one right here. Look at that. So I don't have a whole lot. It's like I'm running out of everything. But hey, this is the time you're gonna go ahead and add your lemon. I'm gonna put all of it because it's not much, like that, and then keep stirring. My porridge is almost ready. Actually, it doesn't take a long time actually to cook porridge. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Your porridge is done. As you can tell, my porridge is so smooth. It's not light, it's not heavy, it's just medium. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It's just medium. So this is how you cook finger millet. So I'm gonna let it sit a little bit because I added lemon. Some people can add sugar, but I'm not a fan of sugar. Or some people can add honey, which I'm gonna add a little bit more of honey if you want to, but you can just drink it as much as that, just adding lemon. Okay, so it's your preference. So I'm gonna let it sit a little bit and I'm gonna serve myself. Hey guys, our porridge is literally done. You can see how it's bubbling. So it's your preference. You can let it medium or a little bit watery or heavy. I love my porridge heavy. As you can see, that's how my family loves it. It's the smoky, guys, coming to my eyes. Oh, but this is it. It's done, as you can tell. Let me swirl it so you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do from here, I am going to serve, and you are more than welcome to let it sit down for a while or for 5 to 10 minutes, because guys, I'm warning you, this porridge is really hot. It can burn your mouth, your tongue, so you have to be very careful. You have to let it sit for it to cool down before you can even serve. Okay, so I'm gonna let mine cool down a little bit before I can serve. Or you can serve it, and these are my cups, one for me, one for my happy. So I'm gonna serve mine here and let it sit, and then we can enjoy. So I'm gonna use this scooper right here to serve. Let me see if I can do it, because I'm holding a camera at the same time. Look guys, so I'm gonna be serving my porridge in here. So you can scoop it and serve it, but you have to be very careful because it's hot. This is the final, guys. This is my cup and my happy, and we are going to enjoy the finger millet. Okay. Oh well guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving me company as we were making our finger millet porridge. I hope you like it, and I hope you try it. Go ahead and try it and taste it, and let me know in the comment section how you feel about the porridge. If you liked what I cooked in my outdoor kitchen, guys, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget guys to put your notification on, because here and there I do produce authentic content like the one you have seen there. And guys, for the new subscribers, welcome. For the OG, I love you so much. And guys, from my outdoor stove to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.